Okay, so this is going to show how to make the right arm. And if you look at the exploded diagram, it's kind of hard to see, but really just it's flipped. So we have the linkage, and then the little elbow piece is on the outside, and so it's essentially mirrored. Um, so when we're creating this, I didn't even realize this, but this is going to be a really easy day because you just flip it. So we just need a different constraint. So we're just going to insert it back in the assembly. So this is going to be an easy one. So you go up to Insert, from Current Document, choose Assemblies, choose the left arm again, alright, click the check. Now all we have to do is just flip it. So we're going to do Revolute. I'm going to choose this part again. Now instead of choosing the other side, we're going to choose over here. Just get the circle, flip it, click the check, and I know it looks all weird, but let's move it around, check it out first. And it should be mirrored. It is the opposite way, so that's all we had to do.